Another day, another English lesson.
Taste adjectives with the suffix y.
Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. Today we're going to learn about adjectives that describe the taste of food. These adjectives help us talk about how food tastes, and many of them are formed by adding the suffix y to the name of the food or flavor. Let's get started. When we add y to a noun, we create an adjective that describes a taste that comes from that noun. For example, salty. This means something tastes like salt. For example, this soup is salty. Peppery. This means something tastes like pepper. For example, the soup is too peppery for me. Sugary. This is the taste of sugar. For example, I like sugary candies. These adjectives are easy to remember because they follow a simple pattern. Just add y to the food or flavor name. They help us give more details about the taste of the food we are talking about. Now watch and complete the sentences with the taste adjective ending in y. One, the soup is too salty. Two, this cereal is very sugary. Three, the pizza is very cheesy. Four, the lemonade is super lemony. Five, the popcorn is very buttery. Six, this cake is so chocolatey. Seven, the garlic bread is very garlicky. Eight, this smoothie is wonderfully fruity. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.